If you are a fashion designer, a clothing seller, or even just someone who loves posting fits online, I've got some news for you. This new AI tool might just put traditional photo shoots on life support. One click and bam, you've got realistic model-ready try-on images. If you are a model, don't panic. AI isn't taking your job yet, but it's definitely asking HR for an interview. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how PicCopilot walk you through a full case study with a real boutique, break down creative ways to supercharge your visuals, and review every tool PicCopilot offers on their website. By the end, you will know exactly why this platform is a game changer for e-commerce. Let's meet Urban Looks, a mid-sized streetwear brand selling online. Now, their workflow was, well, let's just say old school. They would rent studios, book photographers, pay models, literally spend hours editing. Each season cost them over $10,000 just to get product shoots. Now enters PicCopilot. Spoiler alert, things got a whole lot easier, cheaper, and cooler. Step number one, upload your product. Just a flat image of a shirt, hoodie, or even a dress. Easy. Step two, choose a model style. Different ages, body types, skin tones. It's like having an endless casting agency minus the catering costs. And let's be honest, AI models don't complain about long hours or bad lighting. Click generate and there it is, a hyper-realistic image that looks like it came straight from a fashion shoot. And it's not just clothing. Watch this. Upload sneakers, click generate, and now you've got a full lifestyle image of shoes on a model. Urban Looks went from a month-long production cycle to just 2 days. Their cost dropped from $10,000 to around $200, plus they updated their online store 10 times faster. 90% time saved from $10,000 to $200, 30% click-through rate. And customers, they couldn't tell the difference. To them, it just looked like Urban Looks leveled up their visuals overnight. How cool is that? I know, right? Let me give you some creative tips and tricks. Number one, animate try-ons. Number two, batch generate collections process. Process 50 plus items in one afternoon. Number three, lifestyle backgrounds. Now, from street shoots to beaches, no need to scout locations. Number four, diversity matters. Now, show multiple models to represent your audience. And unlike your real photographer, PicCopilot won't charge you extra for adding palm trees in the background. Here's what PicCopilot offers on their platform. Fashion AI tools. Now, virtual try-ons, clothes and shoes, core features, studio quality try-ons without real models. You also have the AI model swap, change the model look, the pose, or the region instantly. You also have image editing and enhancement, background remover, generator, clean removals, or AI-made custom scenes. You also have style clone, keep consistency across catalogs. The important AI shadows, add natural depth to make images pop, remove watermarks, quick cleanup. You also have upscaler and enhancer, sharpen and improve resolution for pixel perfect results. They do as well marketing and localization, AI templates, pre-designed ad banners and layouts, image translator, auto-translated embedded text for global markets, AI dubbing and avatars, translate videos into multiple languages with natural voices, product any shoot, generate product images in endless scene without shooting. On top of this, they have fashion reels, create animated fashion reels to show off clothing dynamically. Efficiency tools also available. You have bulk processing, scale for big catalogs, pricing tiers from free to basic tools to Pro Plus to get advanced features batch power, priority, etc. Basically, PicCopilot isn't just one tool. It's a full AI studio, model casting, background creation, image editing, translation, even video localization, all under one roof. Think of it as Canva meets Hollywood VFX, but made for e-commerce. So let's wrap it up. You have PicCopilot that gives you the following: high quality visuals that look real, high efficiency work done in hours, not weeks, low cost, save thousands every season. Now, whether you are a seller on Shopify or growing a brand, PicCopilot lets you scale visuals without scaling costs. If you're ready to upgrade your online store, head over to PicCopilot.com today. Try it for free, play with the tools, and see for yourself. Now, don't keep wasting money on outdated photo shoots. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Link in the description. Go check it out. Besides that, the AI doesn't eat all the snacks at the photo shoot. Alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. A really great AI tool. I love it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Also, do check out. It's free to try. And if you like it, do purchase one of their memberships. See you guys on my next recommendation. Peace out.